Today, we will be reviewing the process of importing via Excel within Yearli Premier. Importing is a great way to get mass pairs and recipients into the program all at once. We will look at how to download the template, how to edit the template, how to import the Excel file, and how to fix any errors. Log into your Yearli Premier account and get to the home page. From the home page, click on the Import Form/Templates button under the Getting Started heading. From here, you will see many import options available. Click on the Select button next to the Yearli Excel import. You can download a sample import file by clicking on the form type under the Templates heading. Today, we will be reviewing the 1099 MIS. Click on the Enable Editing button at the top to be able to edit the template. The top row of the import file are the column headers. These headers should not be changed, nor should any of the red column headers be removed. In this example, we will keep the sample data. Save and close the import file when finished. When the import file is finished and ready to be imported, click on the Browse for File button under the Select File heading. Browse for the file and then click Open once it's selected. After the import file is selected and you can see the name of the file, click on Import to the right of the screen. The program will go through some validations. Depending on the size of the import file, this process can take a few minutes. If there are errors within the import file, the audit screen will display. The audit screen will show the name of the pair the error was found under, the recipient name the error was found under, the description of the error, the value the import had an issue with, and the row and column the error can be found in within the original import file. In this case, the recipient tin is missing. After reviewing the errors, click on the Audit File button to download the audit report. Column A will display the error description found in each row. Scroll to the right and locate cells highlighted in yellow. Cells in yellow contains errors. Make the applicable changes, save, and close the file. Click on the Back button to re-upload the template, this time choosing the audit file. Once the import is successful, you will get a notification indicating how many pairs and recipients were imported into the program. Once the forms are imported, you will have the option to choose what pairs and recipients will be e-filed.